Hello, I hope you are safe and well. Today I want to share with you a Caribbean recipe. It's a food that you can prepare easily at home, something different like a snack, and we only need a plantain. So let's do it. To give the basket shape to the plantain, we need a special tool. We are going to use this. Honestly, I don't know the name in English. Let me sound posh. Citron extractor. Well, you know what is that.